What's up, guys? I know it's tough to see me right now, but we're under a tornado warning, tornado watch, whatever the worst one is. It is pouring rain, and a huge branch just landed on my front lawn. I'm going out to get it. Let's go. Alright, so I'm currently getting soaked. I know you can't see me, sorry about the quality, but look at the size of this thing. You can't even see it. I'll show you it tomorrow. But it is, I don't even know if I can drag this thing. Oh man. Yeah, this is big. It's like 16 feet long. That part's off the grass. That's huge. Oh, here comes the downpour again. My wife thinks I'm nuts. And I probably am, but I'm alright with that. Alright, so that's off. Pull this like this. I'll get you some shots in the morning of the damage. Saw that lightning? Hopefully you saw something. I'll get you some damage in the morning. Hopefully I still have a house. We'll see you in a bit. So these are the branches that came down in that storm that we had. They are huge. They're off the lawn. Half of it's still green because that big old pine tree up there keeps the snow off until it gets really heavy. But yeah, that's what came down. So just want to apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit sick. That's why there was no video this weekend. I am still sick, but there is some stuff that I have to get done. I got to get my pumps put away, the ones that are in the totes, and my big pump that I use to water the lawn, and my garden hoses. So I got to get that stuff put away, and yeah, let's go. Nothing like leaving things till the last minute, eh, folks? Get the pump drained. Would you look at that? No pressure. That's a good thing. Alright, that's all packed away, so I'm gonna go get the other pump out and undo this guy, and those are the most costly things taken care of, so let's go do that. Don't forget the handhelds. Love this thing, don't want it to break. Anyone else hate dealing with frozen hoses? Yeah, not fun, especially when it's 100 feet long. Oh well, march on. That's got to go inside for sure. Now, you actually don't have to take your hoses inside. Just make sure they're drained out fully, and you can just leave them outside. They'll be fine. They're not going to break or anything. But yeah, so this is the pump part. 100-foot hose. That is huge. And I got to drain it out and attempt to roll it up. Let's have some fun. It's not fun. It sucks. Alright, time to unhook this, because I do not want this to burst at all. It cost me a few $100, and it's been awesome, so make sure you take care of your equipment, people. So just gotta undo this right there, pull it off, drain it out. That's it. Very simple, doesn't take much time, and it's important. Let's do this. So I think come next spring, I'll be making this a quick connect because this does not come off easy. So I'm gonna have to cut it and I'll just deal with it in the spring. All right. way easier to just cut it off, but that definitely needs to be a quick connect. So I'll keep that in mind come next season. All right, let's get this thing drained out and inside. So after you have all your hoses cleaned up, drained and whatnot, sorry, I'm still a little stuffy. Just make sure that you get all your liquid fertilizers put inside so they don't freeze over winter and make a big mess when they start to thaw or burst the bottles. You just don't want to have to do that cleanup. It's not fun. So make sure you guys click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything I'm doing. I really appreciate it, and it helps me out a whole bunch. So yeah, this isn't the last video. I'll be doing more stuff. You guys are gonna have to wait to see what it is. It's winter here, so you might be able to guess, you might not. But with that, this has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.